In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a company in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, these steps will guide you through the process efficiently. Let's get started. First, head over to HubSpot. If you're not already logged in, make sure you enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. This dashboard serves as the central hub for managing your CRM activities. Now, on the left of this dashboard, you should see a navigation panel. Look for the CRM icon, which gives you quick access to various CRM features. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select Companies. This section is dedicated to managing your business relationships and tracking interactions with different companies. After you've clicked on Companies, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the page layout. In the upper right corner of this section, you'll see an Add Companies button. Clicking this will allow you to input new company data into your CRM system, ensuring all your business relations are organized and up to date. Next, you'll be prompted to Create New. This is where the real setup begins. Clicking on Create New opens a form where you'll need to fill in the company's details. It's crucial to be as thorough and accurate as possible here to make sure that your data remains reliable and useful in the long term. Consider including information like the company name, domain, and any other pertinent details that help paint a complete picture of the organization. Filling in these fields accurately will help HubSpot automatically gather relevant information about the company, which can be a big time saver. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, it's time for the final step, clicking on Create. This action saves the company information to your HubSpot CRM database. At this point, the new company is successfully added to your directory, and you're now ready to start managing your relationship with them effectively. Having organized information about the companies you work with is integral to maintaining strong business relationships. HubSpot CRM makes this process streamlined and intuitive, allowing you to focus more on what really matters, growing your business and nurturing valuable connections. Remember, keeping your CRM updated is key to maximizing its benefits. So, make sure to revisit and revise the information periodically as business dynamics change. And there you have it. Setting up a new company in HubSpot CRM is as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to enhance your HubSpot experience.